Hello, everyone. Welcome to the review class for our practitioners from the Philippines. And let's welcome uh, from Cebu City, Sir Dennis. Good evening, Sir Dennis.
Good evening.
Okay,
Good
so
evening, Doc.
let's get on with the quiz. So today we're going to be reviewing the Yin and Yang concept. Okay. Number one, which pair is correctly matched as Yin Yang opposites?
Uh, One, cold and hot.
Which symptom pattern indicates a Yang dominant disease?
Um, Being active and improves when lying still in bed is a young dominant backache.
Okay, so this is a type of backache that becomes worse when you are active. So that's why it's called yang dominant. Which organ's yin deficiency is indicated by a thick and oily skin?
Uh, Number one, lung yin.
Increased. Okay. Which statement best reflects the relationship between yin and yang?
Uh, they are number three. They are complementary, and one cannot exist without the other.
In which region is there no winter-summer duality, but rather a rainy and dry season, like Philippines?
One, tropical regions.
Yes. How is yin described in terms of physical attributes?
Uh, Number three, solid form, constant and positive side.
Which symptom pattern would be classified as yin dominant?
Um, Number three, cough and asthmatic breathing, worsening at night in damp cold weather with fronty white mucus.
Yes. Which clinical sign is associated with a yin deficiency, the dryness?
Um, Number two, that is brittleness of nails, tendons, and bones.
Yeah, because this is all about substance, no? Yin. How is qi defined?
Mm. Uh, Number one, yang of a functional nature.
Which description illustrates the concept of ascending in the yin yang clinical classification?
Uh, Number two, symptoms that manifest initially in the highest part of the body, head and neck, or limbs, arms, head. Example, hot flashes, neck tension, headache.
Yang is described as the active and changing side and is formless. Which attribute listed below contradicts this description?
Number four, solid form.
What does a descending pattern refer to? So earlier we discussed ascending. Now let's go to descending.
Uh, Number one, symptom that initially affects the lower part of the body, such as legs and perineum.
Which pairing correctly matches a gender with its yin-yang representation?
Um, that's number two, man yang, women yin.
Which condition would be classified as a yang dominant disease?
Uh, Number one, seasonal asthma with dry cough and bronchospasm that worsens on exposure to pollen or animal.
The term blood in Chinese medicine refers to what broader concept?
Uh, Number two, nutrition in general, not just red blood cells.
When yin is deficient without nutritional deficiency, which type of symptoms is most likely to appear?
Number three, that's dryness accompanied by heat symptoms.
The menopausal woman illustrates which cluster of symptoms that indicate yin deficiency? Very classic.
That's Number two, hot flashes, tachycardia, sleepiness, and restlessness.
Sleeplessness, no? How should the practitioner approach a disease that primarily affects yin?
Uh, number number three,
Okay. You have to treat both yin and yang concurrently, no? How does the Chinese yin yang concept differ fundamentally from Aristotelian
treat
logic?
both yin and yang concurrently.
Yeah.
Mm.
How does the Chinese yin yang concept differ fundamentally from
Uh,
Aristotelian logic? Logic.
number three, yin consists the seed of yang, allowing transformation between them.
Which historical work is identified as the earliest reference to yin and yang?
Uh, book number three, book of changes, Yi Jing.
In constructing the 8 trigrams, how many lines are added to each of the 4 basic diagrams of broken and unbroken lines?
Number one line.
The naturalist school's primary methodological difference from modern Western medicine is its aim to
Number three, harmonize with natural laws, acting on correct
in
with
concept
them.
with them. In traditional Chinese cosmology, which pairing correctly assigns yin and yang to earth and heaven?
Uh, Earth yin, heaven yang.
The Chinese
That is
character for yin is visually associated with which of the following elements?
uh,
Yin.
the shady part of a hill.
Zhuangzi's passage compares the self and the other to which of the following analogies?
Number two, lips and teeth.
Which later philosophical tradition incorporated the theories of yin and yang and the 5 elements as part of its common heritage?
That's number three, Neo-Confucius school of the Song, Ming, and Qing dynasties.
Which cardinal direction is equated with heaven?
Heaven is number one, south.
So your door should always face the south.
Oh,
Which hand is described
that,
as stronger due to a deficiency of earth?
that is number one.
Right hand. The Chinese character for left incorporates which symbol to signify yang?
Symbol of work, activity. That's number one.
In the discussion of matter's density, yang primarily represents which state?
Uh, Number one, rare field, less
Rarefied.
dense form.
Okay. Which season corresponds to yin within yang in the yearly cycle mapping?
Uh, Dispersion or evaporation, number one.
No, 31. We're still in 31. Which season corresponds to yin within yang?
Oh, autumn, number three.
Heaven is an accumulation of yang. Which physical process is identified with yang?
Uh, Number one, dispersion or evaporation.
Compared with yang, yin is associated with which type of motion?
Contraction, number two.
Which of the following is not among the 4 aspects of the yin-yang relationship?
Equilibrium of yin and yang.
Which elemental symbol is paired with yang?
Fire, number one.
How is the proportion of yin and yang described with any given thing?
Uh, they are dynamic and constantly changing.
In which directions does a deficiency of heaven result in a stronger left ear and left eye?
West and north, number one.
According to Liu Tzu, what determines the formation of heaven and earth?
The purer the light elements that rise from heaven, the grosser and heavier elements that fall from earth
Form earth.
form
Okay. What maintains the near constant human body temperature?
dynamic balance of opposing force.
Okay. Where is your face? Okay, in the Taoist concept, which relationship correctly captures the interdependence of yin and yang?
uh, that is number three. Yin and yang are mutually exclusive yet dependent.
Which of the following pairs is not an example of opposite yet interdependent forces?
Uh, Number four, heat and friction.
The Taoist quote, in order to contract, it is necessary first to expand, illustrates which principle?
The necessity of prior expansion for later contraction.
When yin is preponderant, what is the immediate effect on yang?
Yang is consumed and decreases.
How does one distinguish between preponderance of yin and weakness of yang?
Uh, Preponderance of yin is primary excess. Weakness of yang is primary deficiency.
Yeah, okay. So too much yin or more yin is primary excess, weakness of yang is primary deficiency. What is required for yin to transform into yang?
Internal conditions being ripe and appropriate timing.
The example of an egg turning into a chick demonstrates which principle of transformation?
Internal capacity plus external cause is necessary.
In the discussion of balance, why should the diagram showing equal proportions of yin and yang not be taken literally?
Because balance is achieved with varying dynamic proportion.
Which condition is not one of the four possible states of yin-yang imbalance?
Uh, Equilibrium shift
Transformation of yin into yang or vice versa occurs at what specific point?
when internal conditions are mature and the development stage is appropriate.
Which example best illustrates the concept of apparent excess due to weakness of the opposite quality? Hello?
Apparent excess of yin.
Yes. Wow, thank you so much.
Number three.
You did very good. See you again next time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for joining.